आमदार चर्चिलाच्या फुडारपणाखाला तरणाट्यांनी कोलवा दर्यावेळ नितळ केली. अशात रितीन पुराय बाणावले मतदारसंघातल्यो सगळ्यो दर्यावेळी नितळ करतले म्हूण ह्या वेळार वॉरन आलेमाव उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Different kind of initiatives throughout his career is taken with regard to sports, with regarding safeguarding the culture, with regarding to safeguarding the Goan beaches, the environment. Whichever issue has come which has threatened Goa and Goans, our MLA has been the first person among the 40 MLAs to take this forward. Whether you talk about double track, whether you talk about environment issues like this Goa beach, whether you talk about sports, whether you talk about the church, जायते वेगवेगळे इश्यू येयला गोंयकारांक आनी आमी गोंयकारान आयज दाखयला एक उलो मारलो आमगे गोंयच्या भावांक एक उलयाचे आयज 6:30 आमचे भुरगे एकठांय जाले. ड्युरींग द पॅन्डेमीक टू गॅदर सच बॉयज यूथ, इट्स अ व्हेरी पॉझिटिव्ह फीलिंग दॅट द यूथ इज सो मच worried about what's happening with regard to Goa, with regarding what's happening with their environment. Today our MLA is giving us the full backing of protecting this environment of us. So I want to thank our MLA for supporting us, supporting the youth in every different various issues that is coming across, which is threatening Goans and Goa. So I just want to say a big thank you to all the youth over here, the elderly crowd that has come forward, and together we've done it. We are going to do this throughout the constituency. We've started in Colva because Colva, by the Prime Minister of Narendra Modi, Colva has been named the iconic beach among the 10 iconic beaches. So we said we'll start over here. From here we will carry it forward to Benaulim, to Varka, to Carmona, to Kavelosim, to Orlim. So we are doing this entire campaign drive. It's nothing political. It's nothing political, let me tell you again. It's only an initiative by the MLA to make this drive a successful one, to create an awareness to the youth that we have to protect our environment. Thank you.